Hidden reasons why your husband refuses physical intimacy with you. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the sensitive reasons why your husband refuses physical intimacy with you. When your husband refuses to sleep with you, you're extremely traumatized and distressed, aren't you? You feel unattractive and undesirable when your husband refuses physical intimacy with you. It is quite a natural feeling. You always connect the sexual attraction your husband feels towards you to your attractiveness and desirability. My husband avoids me as if I was an untouchable auntie. It is nearly 1 year since we had physical intimacy. Srinidhi, my friend's daughter, was complaining to me about her husband. I daily fight with my husband about this, but he still continues avoiding sex with me. It makes me feel as though my husband has lost his attraction towards me. It feels terrible, auntie. The young girl was literally fuming with anger against her husband. I knew Vishwam, her husband. He was a smart young man who was doing great in his job. I could not understand why he was avoiding having physical intimacy with Srinidhi. I knew the reasons when he came to meet me. I understood that he had come to me to confide about his issues with Srinidhi. Auntie, I know that my wife has told you about our relationship problem. What Srinidhi told you is true. Yes, there is absolutely no physical intimacy between us. And it will remain so as I am no longer attracted to my wife. And the fault lies entirely with her, Vishwam told me grimly. Why do you say so, Vishwam? I asked the young boy hesitatingly. Srinidhi has told you only her side of the story. You have to hear my viewpoint if you must understand why I am behaving like this to her. The young boy looks stressed. Do you know that Srinidhi nags me constantly that I am not good enough for her? In fact, almost daily. She never listens to what I have to say. She never cooks for me. She compares me with others in a very degrading light. She's not at all satisfied with what I do for her. She's in fact very demanding and controlling. The way she contorts her face when she argues with me has completely put me off her. Vishwam had more complaints against his wife. How will I ever feel sexually attracted to my wife when she demeans me in all possible ways? Vishwam sounded weary. I could see that Vishwam had become emotionally disconnected with Srinidhi. When Vishwam did not enjoy emotional connection with his wife, it was only natural he also felt sexually disconnected with her. I am sure that Vishwam is not a sole case of feeling sexually disinterested in his wife because of the emotional disconnection he felt. Are you one such wife who feels bewildered by the lack of sexual interest your husband displays towards you? You would be surprised to know that your husband refuses to sleep with you for many more reasons. Your husband might be emotionally disconnected with you. He might be facing tremendous work-related pressures. And so your husband might be feeling pressurized and hassled about it. In an extreme case, your husband might be having an affair. Your husband might be suffering from severe depression which makes him averse to sex. Whatever might be the reason for the lack of sexual interest of your husband, you are upset and unhappy in your relationship. Shall we go into the details about the reasons why your husband refuses to sleep with you? The number one reason for your husband refusing physical intimacy with you is the emotional disconnection he has with you. Are you wondering what emotional connectivity has to do with the sexual interest of your husband? Almost everything. In the initial days of your marriage, your husband is enthralled by your proximity. He more than willingly gives you intense sexual pleasure. But as days go by, you find that your husband refuses to sleep with you. Would you be taken aback when you know that you could be the reason behind his lack of sexual interest? When you do not attract your husband emotionally, he is not interested in you physically. It is as simple as that. When you constantly nag your husband, he is totally put off from you. When you degrade your husband by lashing out at him with bitter words, he feels repulsed by you. When you do not give your husband emotional support, he feels completely alienated from you. When you pulverize the male ego of your husband by being dominating, his mind shuts you out. When his mind refuses to acknowledge you, his body too refuses to be turned on by you. Solutions to this problem. Never nag your husband as he hates it. Never compare your husband with others as his male ego is shattered. Never control your husband as though you own him. Give your husband the personal space due to him. Respect your husband for what he is. When you do all these, it will definitely make him drawn towards you. And do not ever degrade your husband about his earning capacity. Most of you commit this mistake without knowing how much your husband hates it, as it gives him great emotional pain. Remember that your understanding behavior towards your husband makes him sexually drawn towards you. The number 2 reason for your husband refusing physical intimacy with you is you no longer attract him. After a few years of marriage, you just let yourself go. You no longer care about your appearance. You put on oodles of weight, so much so that it totally puts off your husband. Though love is not connected to your physical appearance, sexual interest is. You might feel that your husband should feel attracted to you irrespective of your physical appearance. It is quite true. True love should overcome barriers of looks and appearance. But sadly, as a man, your husband is a visual animal. He sees many attractive women around him. It becomes natural for him to compare you with them. His sexual interest in you disappears when you look obese with tons of unwanted flesh and oodles of cellulite. Solutions to this problem. Take care of your appearance. Do regular exercises to keep you slim and trim. Be presentable when at home. Never wear ill-fitting clothes, as it will make you appear unattractive and unappealing to your husband. Physical appearance might not increase the volume of love between you, but it definitely increases the volume of physical attraction between you. The number 3 quite shocking reason for your husband refusing physical intimacy with you is he might have found a new interest. Though you do not want infidelity to happen to your marriage in your wildest dreams, your husband might be having an affair behind your back. When your husband is having an affair, he does not feel sexually attracted to you. Since his interest has shifted from you to another woman, he coolly loses all his sexual interest in you. Solutions to this problem. You should definitely confront your husband about his affair. You have every right towards the loyalty of your husband. But do not make the mistake of involving your parents, relatives, friends into it. They will only aggravate the situation. Demand an explanation from your husband. Give him the ultimatum of severing his connection with the other woman. The number 4 reason why your husband refuses physical intimacy with you is he might be undergoing severe depression. When your husband is undergoing severe depression, it depletes his sexual interest in a drastic manner. There are many reasons why your husband feels depressed. When your husband has work-related stress, he falls into depression. When you demand from your husband more and more money, he feels depressed that he is unable to satisfy you. And when your husband is not confident, he feels depressed by the tiniest problems he faces. Depression has a devastating impact in his sexual interest. The depressive mindset of your husband makes him a morose and a gloomy person. He refuses to come out of his cocoon of moodiness. Solutions to this problem. You must be a very understanding wife to pull your husband out of his depression. Appreciate the smallest success of your husband so that he feels encouraged. Give your husband good emotional support so that he feels his morale boosted. Your husband likes you when you're understanding and supportive. The number 5 reason why your husband refuses physical intimacy with you is because he is completely withdrawn away from you. Your husband completely withdraws from you when you do not cater to his male needs. As you have tons of family duties to fulfill, many a time you feel dead tired and listless. Looking after your children drains your energy. Your never-ending household chores saps you physically. So, you constantly refuse sex with your husband, citing your tiredness and fatigue. When your husband eagerly approaches you to satisfy his sexual hunger, you push him away saying you're tired. Unknowing to you, you're belittling the masculinity of your husband. When you consistently refuse sex with your husband, his body mechanism shuts you out. Solutions to this problem. Never deny sex to your husband. Understand the simple fact that you can live without sex but your husband cannot. Enjoy your sex life as it brings in great emotional bond into your relationship. Whatever might be the reasons behind your husband refusing to sleep with you, the fact remains that it makes you feel unsatisfied and unfulfilled in your married life. Though sex in no way makes your marriage happy, it becomes a major relationship issue when you're denied it by your husband. Did this video make you understand the reasons why your husband denies you physical intimacy? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.